Gang, I'm tryna be motivated, but it be a little hard. Ain't nobody come up if they ain't never start. It's ups and downs, I'm moving through the road. There's a lot of ways to fall, so I gotta watch some hoes. It's a lot of pain that motherfuckers went through. It's a lot of times I did stuff I shouldn't do. It's all cool, but I'm spinning SRTs. And I my people, so you know I gotta be discreet.
Step up to the shit. A nigga had to do it, had to get up on my shit. I got tired of living, showing love to a bitch. Who wasn't really with me, now that bitch ain't got no sense. Gang, little young and jumping fences. Best will catching up to me and I ain't learn my lessons. My nephew looking up to me, I gotta change the rest. Set a good example off my motherfucking ex.
Little POV. Just got this little GoPro, man. Let me know what y'all end up thinking about this. I'm gonna have to turn down the music. Little POV. I'll just go. So I'm just have to go on there. I was trying to be courteous. Oh yeah, you see that? Lurking pig right there. He's trying to find someone to get. Nah, bro. Hey, this is for sure must have though, man. A radar, you gotta. It's like you would think it's annoying. I mean, it is kind of annoying. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's annoying, but shit, it's better than getting a damn ticket, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, man, cause that ain't even it. Always like that, bro. Always. Solid motherfucker, how you win and fold. Felt the pressure in the air, these snitches getting bold. I try to keep one eye behind my back. Feel like they all trying to dumb me so I can't ever slack. It's ups and downs, but it's levels to this shit. Fuck a middleman, bitch, I'm reaching for the top. Commas coming in and I hope they don't stop. They praying on my downfall. My nephew, I'ma stand tall. Get my money, you ain't fucking on my plans, dawg. Got some coming in, I'm setting all this shit raw. In the streets they setting all these pills and fit and all. So don't get laced up thinking that this shit raw. You always gotta keep your eyes behind your back. I'm riding by, you better pray to God you never lag. Shit decent though. It's cold, man. It's cold though. I ain't gonna be it. It's too cold for this shit. This shit shaking, bro.
I don't even need a baby, but I want some more. I don't even need a baby, but I want some more.
Foggy in my view, had to go and change my lane. See through the smoke, man, I know these niggas just pretend. See me dolo but I got some niggas right into the end. Ain't no friends, had to let all them ships in. I know how it be when they turn. Switching lanes, had to let them bridges burn. And it ain't the same, but I know what I earn. So I gotta wait patient for my fucking turn.
Yeah, I know what I earn. Like bro said, we gon' let them fucking bridges burn. I can't trust niggas, they gon' fuck around and try to slime me out. Yeah, I made it out through a motherfucking drought. It's cold in this world, this shit getting fucking old. They said it was with us, but then went and told. It's crazy how real niggas finna go and fold. One word on that case and it's finna be closed.
Lately I've been deep, think about this money move. I did some shit that I knew you niggas wouldn't do. But it's my life, can't let these people pick and choose. All of a sudden they say that I'm changed and I'm being rude. Why you acting brand new? I was blinded for a moment, but I had to change the view. It's on the deathbed, on the place they ever wanna see.
Driving nice, Right now we just cruising, chilling. We had went to the little car meet, but man, it was alright. There was a decent amount of cars and shit, but man, it's too cold to be out there just recording and doing all that. So yeah, man, it was alright, but for that you gotta do it like. Look, they got 12 over there being hot as always. They got undercover right there. I know y'all see that. Man.